Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's take a start. And I'm Khuram Janjua, your IELTS examiner, and we are conducting IELTS Part 2 tutorial.
Yes.
And I'm giving you a cue card, and you have 1.5 minutes to plan your topic, and after that you
Yes.
have to speak. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, this is your cue card.
Yes, sir.
And this is your cue card.
Thank you.
Okay, well, a layer activity that you do with your family, your topic is a layer activity
Yes.
that you do with your family, what it is, and when do you do it, and with whom you do it.
Well, sir, in this contemporary world, everyone living stressful life. Youngsters are stressed about their studies and as well as their future plans, and adults are stressed about their personal life and to balance their personal and professional life. They forgotten their leisure time. They have not time to spare. They have no spare time to some relax and for leisure. But my family is not like them. We spend some time with together. The most fascinating thing for me in my family is we get together in every weekend night. So we decide the plan turn by turn. First, my turn, and I decide for the next weekend plan, and for next weekend, it's turn. Second one turn for my elder brother or my younger brother or my sister.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. When do you normally plan your weekend party?
So we normally plan our any kind of activity in Saturday nights.
Okay.
Because we are together in Saturday night and plans our traveling plan or any activity for the future.
Okay, where do you
Yes.
normally travel? Do you prefer to travel to the another city, or do you prefer your own city for
Sir,
lunch
it's-
or dinner?
Sir, it's depends on weather or moods and conservation. Then we
So
plan.
then it is decided.
Yeah, then it is decided. Yes.
Okay, okay. Do you take the kids with you?
Yes, of course. I take my kids and my siblings. I take my kid with me and my family too.
Okay, how do you normally enjoy the dinner? Outdoor dinner or indoor?
Well, we enjoy our dinner normally in our home, but in the weekend when we want some time to get together, we go to our nearest restaurant or any kind of fast food, international fast food chain. So we eaten.
You dine with or
Yeah,
you
dine with
have
my
you
family,
have,
yes,
okay.
sir.
Okay, very beautifully explained, Walid.
you,
But
sir.
you sometimes commit mistakes and try to avoid all these. Okay? You lack
Okay.
fluency,
Yes.
but you have potential to get 6+ band in speaking.
Inshallah.
Okay, and definitely you will get 6 band.
Inshallah.
Okay,
Thank you.
let's take a start with Mr. Wahab. Your topic is describe a time when you met someone. Okay. Well, that's the topic in part 2. Remember one thing, that can't be any imaginative situation. You
Yes.
just have to create any imaginative creation, and there is nothing right and wrong. You just have to plan.
Okay, sir.
And you have to plan abruptly. Okay. Don't start thinking वो कौन सी मीटिंग थी, किससे मैं मिला था. अक्सर स्टूडेंट जो हैं वो क्या करते हैं, they just start recalling.
Okay, sir.
तो आप you just have to plan, make a dramatic situation and speak fluently.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, your topic is describe a time when you met someone. Who was he or she, and where did you meet, and when this meeting happened? Okay.
Okay. Well, as I am a extrovert person, I am an explorer, and I am a market person. When basically on this contemporary era, I met some different kind of peoples, like different kind of cultures peoples, different peoples, different mentality level peoples. Well, in this time, I have many friends, but one of my friend that I met before 2 months ago. That name is Mr. Kamran, and he lives in Azad Kashmir, Koti Azad Kashmir. He was very generous person. He was very kind person. When I met Mr. Kamran, he doesn't like he doesn't like that he doesn't like that I met I met him first time. On the other hand, he was a very generous person, and he was a very credit person, and also he is very good chef also. When I met in with Kamran in his office, and he made tea for me by hand, and he is very delicious. It is very tasty. It is very good tea for me. That's why I like it very much.
Okay, well, do you normally meet the person at home or in the restaurant or in open places?
Well, it depends on the occasions. When I met the person that had not enough time, that I will arrange the meeting in a public place on the nearest restaurant.
Okay. Do you normally meet someone in the evening or in the daytime?
Mostly I met different people's mostly morning, because morning, as you know, morning we have many time to communicate their ideas, communicate different issues or social issues. That why I prefer to meeting the morning.
Okay. Well, Waleed, you have potential to get more than 6 band in IELTS speaking test, and wish you best of luck for your speaking.
Thank you,
You sometimes commit some grammatical errors, but you can overcome it through your practice. And as you said that he didn't like, because you are talking in the past tense and you have to use the second form. Okay.
Yes.
So just keep in mind that if your topic is in the past tense, you have to use the second form and all the past structures, and use the variety of structures.
Okay.
For example, we had to meet in the restaurant. हमें restaurant में मिलना पड़ा. I was to give him a gift. I was to give him a gift, and we had to plan further plannings. So you can use the use of infinitive and the different structures of the past. Okay? Past is not a name of a second form of the verb. You have to use the variety of structures, and the more you use variety of structures in your speaking, the more examiner will rate you with good bands. Okay? Wish you all the best
Thank
of
you.
luck.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
sir.
very much.
Thank you.